If you're seeing an Epic Games download error, this quick fix can often get you back up and running in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step method to clear out stuck Epic Games processes, reset your network cache, and apply the right launcher settings so downloads can start working again. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more fast troubleshooting guides. First, go down to the bottom right corner of your screen and look for the Epic Games Launcher icon in the system tray. Right-click that icon and choose Exit. This makes sure the launcher is fully closed before we make any changes. Next, press Ctrl, Shift, and ESC together to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager is open, look through the list for any Epic Games processes that are still running in the background. If you find any, right-click each one and select End Task. This is important because even when the launcher looks closed, background tasks can still interfere with downloads. Now go to your desktop and find your Epic Games Launcher shortcut. Right-click it and choose Properties. In the Properties window, click the Compatibility tab. Here, check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. After that, click Apply, and then click OK. Running the launcher as administrator can help prevent permission issues that sometimes stop downloads from completing properly. If the problem is still happening, the next part is to reset your network cache. Sometimes, stale IP routing logs from your internet service provider can cause data packets from Epic's distribution networks to drop, which can lead to download errors or stalled installs. To fix that, press the Windows key on your keyboard, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. When the command prompt opens, type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. This clears your DNS cache, which can remove old or corrupted address data that might be interfering with the connection. After that, type net's Winsock reset and press Enter. This resets your Windows network socket settings, which can help repair network-related issues affecting Epic Games downloads. Once both commands are done, restart your PC. This step is really important because the network reset won't fully take effect until after a reboot. After your computer restarts, open Epic Games Launcher again and try your download one more time. In many cases, these steps are enough to fix the error and get your games downloading normally again. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more helpful fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.